Oh, my bad, man. Now I got a problem now. Hey, oh. We're going to show you how to use your Muay Thai in a self-defense situation. I'm not saying go out here and start nothing with anybody because, you know, people carry weapons. People can jump people. You could hurt somebody and end up, you know, behind bars. Anything can happen, right? So it's best to walk away from any situation. However, sometimes you might have to use it. Even if you don't fight or don't train, these moves from Muay Thai are so practical and easy to use that they're guaranteed to be able to stop those guys that want to start trouble. Are you ready, Tito?
Yes.
Tabernacle. Let's go. The first practical move that we're going to show you when using Muay Thai in self-defense is the Muay Thai elbow. Very effective and it's so simple. So to me, this is number one. When you land this shot, they're not going to stand up from this, especially somebody that's not used to training, especially somebody that are street fighters and they're only seeing red, right? They're working off adrenaline. We're going to be working off calmness. Street altercation, the first thing you want to do, of course, is get your space. Try to de-escalate the situation, right? I don't want any trouble. Please, sir, leave me alone. Easy enough. But if that doesn't work and they're coming forward, you get your guard up, let them come in forward, and all you do is, boom, step into it. 10 times out of 10, they're going to drop. So remember, one more time, the elbow's a small area. So you don't have to say, ugh. You don't have to try to, no. This is a small part of the elbow. You're going to take the whole forearm and you're going to try to mash it into his whole nasal cavity. All right, sounds kind of savage, sounds kind of violent, but it's their fault for messing with you. We're only defending ourselves, right? And remember, Tito, if anybody mess with you, you want to try to put them down as fast as possible. We don't know if they have friends. We don't know if they have a weapon on them, all right? So we're not trying to play no games. You too, don't play no games. Guard up. I don't want any trouble. First off, try to de-escalate the situation. I don't want no problems, bro. Please, leave me alone, sir. They still see red. They want to start some trash. They thinking that we're soft because we're trying to de-escalate. They step forward. My guard's up. Boom! Knockout, just like that. Then you get up out of there. Run, fool! All right, Tito, so this is what we're going to do next. We're going to give these guys a little bit of role playing. Is that okay?
Yes.
Tabernacle. Here we go. I'll be the street thug that's causing the altercation, the problems. And I want you to try to de-escalate the situation best you can. And I'm going to still come at you because I might think you're a little bit of soft. So show us how to use the elbow in an altercation. Can we do that?
Yes.
Tabernacle. Here we go. Hey, say, cuz. Why you bum me, cuz?
My bad.
Nah, ain't no my bad, bro.
My bad.
Straight up. Nah, bro. What's up? What's up, bro? Boom! Nice. Just like that. Next up on the menu for Muay Thai moves that you can use in a self-defense situation, we're going to go with the knee. My favorite, because knees hurt the most. We're going to keep the same principles that we've been training with since day number one. Guard up, good positioning, good strong balance, all the good stuff. Show me, Tito. Right? So I'm here. Bop. Oh, Stanley. That's a good shot. Then you get up out of there. Run, fool. When you're throwing this knee, this is a street altercation. There are no fouls. So wherever you throw it, I don't care if it lands in his privates. I don't care if it lands in his sternum, in his stomach, in his neck, in his face. It doesn't matter. Just throw it hard as you can. All right. But remember those principles. What about the hands, Tito?
Hands up high.
Hands up high. Hands up high, chin tucked down. And the feet, like you said, a good spacing, back foot off the ground. That way you can spring into it. Perfect knee. So Tito, can we do another role-playing situation?
Yes.
This time with the role-playing, we're going to utilize the knee, just like you just learned. Are you ready?
Yes.
You want to be the good guy or the bad guy?
The good guy.
The good guy. Okay. I'll be the guy that sees red. Here we go. So this time, I'm chilling and you step on my feet. You step on my shoes. Go ahead. No, you got to walk.
Oh.
Now you just started trouble. Go ahead, walk by. Hey, say, cuz, you stepped on my shoes, Jack.
My bad.
Nah, bro. It ain't on my bad, bro. These brand new shoes, man. What's up, bro? Nah, man. Nah, ain't on my bad, man. Nah, I got a problem now. Hey, oh. You notice he kept his chin down. He took a step back to utilize the situation. Remember, when you're doing self-defense, Mom, put the arm out. This is the bubble, right? This is your personal space. Even as a jit, I would always tell my kids, don't let these guys swing on you first, right? A lot of parents tell their kids, they put in their mind, let them hit you first. Absolutely not. Because that one shot that they swing on you first, that could be your last shot. So remember that, all right? Never let anybody swing on you first. If I'm stepping towards you, Tito, and I get past and I'm coming in an aggressive manner, starting trouble, if I get to this area, you have the right to defend yourself, right? So be proactive. So let's break that scenario down one more time, Tito. Here we go. Hey, say, bro, you just stepped on my shoes, cuz.
My bad.
Nah, it ain't my bad, bro.
My bad.
All right, so now put his hands up, right? He's already in his stance. He's not just, I don't want any, no. That's the first thing he did. What's the second thing you do?
Hands up.
Hands up, good. Now I'm stepping forward, right? I got, just like that. I guarantee you, they won't be up for long. One good knee. When it comes to using the teep in the Muay Thai self-defense situation, I personally would go with the rear teep, right? The rear teep is being proactive from even stopping the guy because, if this is a street altercation and I'm already close to you, you don't want to crowd yourself with the teep. Also, the rear teep is much more stronger than the front teep. First thing you want to do is give yourself room. Meaning, first off, I'm going to step back. Look, bro, I don't want any problems. You see all this area I have? It's perfect. Because not only am I disengaging and being the mature one, I'm giving myself room. So that way, if they step forward, it's all about timing. So they step forward, bomb, just like that. When you do your teep, it's just like you're using it in the ring, just like you're using it during training, sparring, pad work, bag work is all the same, guys. Simply, hands up. Just like we talked about, good foundation, hands up, out the proverbial bucket, right? My front foot's gonna be flat, it's out the bucket. Just like that, just like you run. Bop, just like you hurdle. Bop out the ground. And when you do this, you're fighting for your life. No cap, real talk. You don't know what these guys have in their mind. So when you do this, you gotta push it like you're trying to kick the door in, like you 12. They come forward, out the bucket, there you go, and you swing the hand at the same time, keep the chin down. Bam! Back down. This is a little bit more safe, in my opinion, than a kick because it's a straight movement, right? You know, with a kick, you're coming off the ground, you're going on your toes, you might slip, you might trip, who knows? With the rear teep, though, it's a straight shot, and it's very powerful. You ready to show him, Tito? He's gonna keep his hands up, he's gonna keep his chin down. I'm stepping forward, and he, boom, just like that. Outstanding. Remember, this is a fight, just like with the knee, just like with the elbow. We don't care where we land. I don't care if it lands in his privates, in his face, in his chest. It doesn't matter. You use the principles and you do it like you're fighting for your life. All right. So one more time, Tito, hard as you can. And he right here, right there. Knock the air out of him. Take the gas out of him. Easy enough?
Yes.
Let's do one more role-playing situation. You want to be the bad guy?
I'll be the good guy.
You want to be the good guy?
Yes.
My man. I'll be the street thug. Here we go. Hey, bro, why you keep looking at me, bro?
Not even looking at you.
Nah, man, something up, bro. You know me or something?
No, I don't know you, bro.
It seemed like you do, though, bro, the way you keep looking at me, cuz.
No, I don't.
You should have already backed up.
I know.
That's not good. His hands are down. He's letting somebody in his bubble. Knockout. All right, you don't want to do all this training, guys, and you get knocked out from somebody that sees red. So make sure you give yourself the proper room. Right now, I'm a little bit too close to you, son. All right, so let's try that one more time. So we got the movements down, guys, but it's the little subtle things that we don't want to miss, like spacing, hands down, hands up, chin down, right? Say, man, why you keep looking at my girl?
Yo, what? I wasn't even looking at her.
Nah, man, you keep looking at my girl or something like you got a problem or something, bro. Do you know us?
No, I don't know you.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Nah, man, I think something up, bro. Oh! There you go. Step back. The only thing that I can say is that, again, you let me get too close to you. If you're starting trash with me, I'm going to back up here. This is the arm. This is the distance, right? But could you throw a looping hook from right here? Bam! Right there. A looping hook might land. So once I put my hand up, I'm going to step back, bop, even further. Right there, right? And now if they engage, that's when boom, that's it. Okay, so you got to remember that too, son, right? I'm not always going to be there. Somebody might start some trash, so therefore you want to make sure that you use those principles. You got it? One more time, but this time I want to see you add in everything, right? I say, cuz, you know me?
Nah, I don't know you.
Oh, knockout, boom, just like that. Just like that. No, just like that. All right, you got to lock in, sir. No, it's not no block. That's getting knocked out. You don't know. I came at you aggressively. You don't know me from a can of paint, so you have to put your hands up. This time, I'll be the good guy, and you can start some trash. Can we do that?
Yes.
We'll run through a proper scenario. Let's go.
No, chill, bro. Don't bump me like that.
Hey, man, I don't want no trouble.
What up?
Please. Bam! All right? You saw what I did. My hands were up. He was still coming to me in a threatening manner. Go ahead, like you just did. I don't want no trouble. Oh, he's already running into it. Boom! We don't want to play the pushing game. We don't want to take any risk of getting caught with a punch we don't see. We don't want to take a chance of getting snuck first. Get in your stance. Put your hands up. Back up. Giving yourself room. Look at my hands. I'm in my fighter's position. My hands are up. I can block a hook. I can block if you try to tackle me, I can drop down, right? And stop the takedown. I can do everything from this position. So can you. If they decide to assault you, they get past this, that's when we do it. Come on. Lead. If I have a little bit of room, I don't want no trouble. Teep. Again, bro, please, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Boom. Knockout. So those are 3 moves that you know in Muay Thai that are guaranteed to work in a self-defense situation. We got the knee, we got the elbow, and we got the rear teep. Let us know in the comment section which one you think is most effective in a self-defense situation. Me personally, I'm gonna go with the elbow. What do you think?
I think the elbow also.
Elbow also. Let us know what y'all think. So that's only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA online Muay Thai drills and workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description.